We are being asked what is growing this time of year in January in the vegetable garden. When we answer it is a green manure, they give us an interesting look. Green manure is a plant that is grown and tilled into the soil to improve the soil quality, similar to animal manures, by adding organic matter and nutrients. They are also referred to as cover crops. We use Pacific gold mustard in the demonstration garden that is planted in late fall and continues to grow through the spring. It is tilled into the soil a week or two before planting the various vegetables to harvest. Mustard not only adds organic matter and nutrients, but it also releases a chemical that acts as a natural soil fumigant that helps control certain diseases and nematode problems. I use another green manure called groundhog radish. There are many varieties that have deep taproots that can help reclaim nitrogen. They also help with soil aeration and water penetration. They are sometimes referred to as a no-till radish because they are left in the soil over winter and they decay and are ready for planting. However, in our area, because of the mild winters, they usually need to be tilled into the soil in the spring. Here are some references to green manure cover crops that reference mustard and daikon radishes.